Hello and welcome to Minute to Master, where you can master a skill in 60 seconds or less. Today's topic is settings in Google Meet. So let's get started.
Once you join your Google Meet video conference room, you can still change a few settings to customize it to your needs. By changing the layout, you decide what and who you want to feature on your screen. The sidebar option puts the main speaker in the large window with smaller windows that show the other participants. The spotlight option puts the current speaker or the pinned window in a full screen window. The tiled option splits the entire screen into 16 windows to show various participants. If you choose Auto, the program will decide which option to choose. The full screen option extends the Google Meet window and removes the toolbars at the top. By choosing settings, you can view which pieces of hardware are being used. You may have one or more options depending on whether you have multiple cameras or microphones attached to your computer. In the audio menu, click the icons to test your microphone and your speakers. If your microphone is working, you should see activity in the monitor. If you click Test, you should hear noise coming from your speakers. In the video section, you can choose your camera and see the status of it. Choose the best send resolution that fits your needs. If your participants say you are coming out blurry or you are trying to showcase something on your camera that needs finer details, for example, an item with words on it, you may want to raise your settings. In the receive resolution, you choose the quality of the video you are receiving. This option is especially useful if you are working on limited internet connection. Choose a lower setting if you are experiencing internet connectivity issues or slowdown.